Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase technical proficiency with Pluralsight easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your journey in increasing your technical proficiency, start by visiting the Pluralsight website. Create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, explore the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter a specific skill or topic you want to learn about. Review the suggestions that appear under the search bar. Select a course that aligns with your interests. Read the course description to understand what you will learn. Check the ratings and reviews for insights from other learners. Once you find a suitable course, click on it to open the course page. Look for the Start Course button and click it. As the course begins, pay attention to the video quality and presentation style. Take notes on key concepts as you progress through the lessons. Don't hesitate to pause the video if you need more time to absorb the information. Utilize the transcripts if you prefer reading along. Engage with any coding exercises or practical examples offered in the course. After completing the course, reflect on what you've learned. Consider taking the assessments provided to test your knowledge. Explore additional courses on related topics to further broaden your skills. Join the discussion forums to interact with other learners and instructors. Set a consistent study schedule to make the most of your learning experience. Finally, apply your new skills in real-world projects to reinforce your understanding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.